Okay, we're back. And item number 1. A My Little Pony surprise color. Wow. Opening it up now. Oh my god, a nice Twilight Sparkle here. Coloring book. We have a, looks like a, Fluttershy and a Princess Celestia. That'll be fun to color in my crayons. And, Telemint Migoni. Such a cutie. Little, Apple Bloom or something like that. I don't really know. Is that a Derpy? I don't know. We got some... just some very nice, oh, it's in French as well. Connect each character to her shadow, a little game. Here we are, and, quite good. Draw a path to help Sweetie Belle get to the candy carriage. It's a fun little game there, and, just a lot of very nice coloring and activities, and, you know, it's... wow. Friendship is magic, really. Friendship really is magic, I must say, and, you don't have friends? That's a shame. You're probably a loser. Now, okay, on to the next item in the bag. What's next? We have... oh, Jackpot! It's only $4 for this whole thing. We have a plethora of My Little Pony stickers. We have... wow, it's actually quite a bit of stickers. Just this itself is probably worth $1 at least. That's pretty good. I can use these, put them on my guitar maybe, make a really cool guitar. Here we have a My Little Pony, another coloring book. Very fun. I'm going to do a lot of coloring, it seems, this week. A maze. Oh my god, this is full of activities and coloring. Fantastic. I love coloring, I love activities, so we can do all of that. Spot the 7 differences in the friends. That'll be fun to do. Apples. Count the amount of apples in each tree. Some little counting challenge. Owlolicious. Pretty good here. And Discord making a film of little ponies here. Kind of perverted, but you know, whatever. A lot of really happy looking ponies here. That's all I'm saying. I'm happy looking ponies. Having a good time. And yeah, having a good time. Having a good time here, the ponies. Ponies are having a very good time. And, yeah. Quite good times being had by the ponies. Gummy is having a good time. Outlines of the ponies. Pumpkin cake, pound cake. I guess I'm not aware of who they are, but it must be some new ponies to the scene. Ooh, a little masquerade with a fried chicken pony. Or fish pony. And, yeah. I get to draw Fluttershy's dream. That's really cute. And a hoity-toity at the end. Wow. So, you know, pretty good so far. 2 coloring books and a bunch of stickers. Next we have a puzzle. A My Little Pony puzzle, which I think you can draw on. And it's 2-sided. A 2-sided puzzle. That's fantastic. I think we have still a few more things in here. This is a lot of value for $4. Oh, we have only one more item, sadly. Crayons. Red, yellow, blue, green, purple, and brown. Crayons, yes. That appears to be all we have. A lovely bag, I must say. A very lovely bag. And, wow, I'm gonna have a good time coloring all this. Stickers are quite good. 2 coloring books, some stickers, crayons. For $4, I'd say not maybe one more thing would have made it worthwhile, but you know, it's probably worth about $1, maybe. Who knows? I think it's randomized. So you appear to get 4 random items. I got 2 coloring books, activity books, and stickers and a puzzle. And what else can you get? A stencil and a tattoo. So a tattoo would have been very nice. And a stencil would have been nice. Maybe I'll go back to the store and buy a few more and see what we get. But yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, comment. And if we get 1,000 thumbs up, I will give away a bag to someone at random. So comment, I want a bag, if you would like a chance to win a bag. Once we hit 1,000 thumbs up, I will draw from all the comments that said I would like a bag. Type that string exactly. I would like a bag with an exclamation point and a capital I. Anyways, good day to you.